This tutorial will show how to solve the problem when the .NET environment is not set in a .NET 8 Windows Form app. I've modified the program.cs file as you can see here. It's set so that Form 1 can use dependency injection, and the default builder here should create a good configuration file for us, but we're going to find out that it won't find the appsettings.Development.json file that I've already set up. So let's look at that one. Just has a key message and looks for it from appsettings.Development.json. The regular appsettings.json doesn't have that word development in it. Here's the code in the form1.cs file. You can see that configuration is introduced via dependency injection. So we are running on a development machine. Let's run this and see what happens. As you can see, it's not pulling from the appsettings.Development.json file like it should. So let's fix that. Before we fix that, I should also point out that these two files, appsettings.Development.json and the regular one, must always be set here to copy always. If you don't have that in there, it won't find either one of these. So let's fix our problem here by going into the project and opening up its properties and going into the debug tab here. And here's the key, the debug launch profiles. And I've already typed this in here. This was blank. I have typed this in here already. And now when we go and run this again, we should get what we expect. So here we go. And now we're accessing the appsettings.Development.json